Kunjani bafethu? Yasukhuluma iqiniso, Orlando Pirates didn't play a bad game against the Durban City namhlanje. The problem is they were panicking bafethu in the second half. Yabona Durban City, they were solid in terms of their defense. Credit to them. Uncanana to get Man of the Match award. I think it really shows you they were very solid in terms of their defense, right? Their goalkeeper was solid. Naum Kize was also solid for Durban City. But I think Orlando Pirates now, there are certain players that were chasing the limelight kakhulu bafethu. You know what I'm saying? The decision making in the second half, I was like, what is going on? And these were players that have carried Orlando Pirates almost the whole season, bafethu. Ubega Ozunapolis today, I think in the second half his decision making was a little bit bad. Really Mufukeng bafethu, I think the boy he's okay when he's a number 10. But as a winger, you can actually see when he's having a bad game, right? And again, bafethu, I don't understand the lento yokuchintsha lineup for the sake of changing it. Yabo, Usimpiwe Silepe hasn't played the whole season, bafethu. The boy is super talented. He played a good game namhlanje for Orlando Pirates, but he hasn't played the whole season. Kehleni Makaula, Masindi Nemtajela have been playing alongside Utalente Mbatha. Why changing them today, bafethu, in this game against Durban City? I understand Nemtajela is injured, but what did Cash do? Yabo, so I don't know, bafethu, but Orlando Pirates have got another opportunity to win the league next week against the Orbit College. Now, Orbit College, they will go into the game fighting for something. But now in their last 5 games, they've been poor in Orbit College. So Orlando Pirates might win it in Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. Bafethu asaz, salute.
Durban City yavele yathi Great Wall of China. Yavele yapaka ibhasi. Hayi ngeke bengalipaka kanje, bilipake kanje. Awu sesimemeze kangaka kodwa bhaka Juju wenze njani? Khona abantu abangaphathekile kahle nje manje la endlini. Awu. Uyabona ke, this is what differentiates between champions and runner-ups. Yabo, is the mentality. Yabo laba fethu bebeshawa nje mentality yokuthi bawine le game. Yes, Durban City it defended very well, but if you are competing for the Betway Premiership, what you need to do is find a way. That's what Pirates needed to do today. They couldn't find a way when it mattered the most. Yabo manje nine game eyodwa. One more game, and there's going to be a lot of pressure on that game. And it was a sold-out stadium at Orlando Arena. And what the supporters wanted to see was you guys lifting the trophy on home ground, on a sold-out stadium. Now the fans are going back home, nil-nil, disappointed. Bafethu sesineseke kangaka bhaka Juju. Ay. Kodwa ke akusenani, you guys still have one more game, and that is a must win.
Ola fethu ichizo Orlando Pirates North Durban City North umdlalo Betway Premiership kule Orlando Amstel Arena eGold khona. Namhlanje lo mdlalo uhambe kanje. Silikhulume nje iqiniso bafana bomlungu. We all looked forward to this game. Until akenzanga lutho lubusilepe, but he was adjusting to the game. Labantu akajwayele ukudlala nabo on weekly basis. You understand? Akajwayele ukudlala nabo on weekly basis. Uno dancing ebench no bajwayele. Ohleze kwi bench week in week out. Okangene okayizwe game time against Stellenbosch wamfaka wayizwe game washaya nepali. Kunomakhawulo ozodlala u6 omile bese uMaswanganye yakhuphuka. Umbatha bakhuphuke bayodlala ibhola bemnandi benje uzosigaxela usilepe bekungafanele awuqala umdlalo akenzanga lutho kubi, but mhlambe bese sothola okuhlukile okade kuwumsoco okuhlukile. iOrlando Pirates ifuri lebuhile Mfukeng engekho on form on that particular game. I perform iPirates yonke. Kungani ngisho njalo ke? This is why entwaneni ukuzethemba namhlanje bekudown angazi wehliswe yini. Yabo, ilihle phela iqiniso ngesikhathi kuphuma uTito Maswanganye, that was a very very wrong sub. Bekumele kuphume uRele net ukuthi usethanda wona umuntu even okhulu sebemfaka ngisho ngasafanele semidlalo ngisho ngasafanele, but ukumdonsa lapha yabo, ukumdonsa umbeke ebenchini ukuze uTito Maswanganye yazi ukudlala lapha ebese ufaka uMoremo. Mhlambe bathi kuzowenza umahluko ngoba abadlali uRele wengasaphasela imoto ngofanele 10 minutes, uSibelebele wengasaphasela imoto ngofanele 10 minutes, uApollos bengasaphasela imoto ngofanele 10 minutes, uMoremo bengasaphasela imuntu ngofanele 10 minutes, but uTito uyakwazi ukuphasa noma ngabe ubhekene negoalkeeper enfuna ukuphasa uTito. So he's that one player ozomdinga noma ngabe nini mangabe i-team under pressure futhi idlala with ukuphusha ifuna ama-goal, understand. So for me that sub yakati yona esibulale kakhulu bafana bakithi. Come to Shufipu uzofaka uAbdullahi Mariko as much as emaka mfethu Mariko, yazi mfethu khona umdlalo ozofika ngene afika adlale kamnandi, but kunale yanto missing, that missing piece. Yabo mhlawumbe uDancing would have been a better choice, I don't know, but then bafethu ngokwami nje bafethu iqinisweni elimsulwa yonakalile kakhulu igame makuphuma lapha yana uTito Maswanganye. Mhlawumbe wena ngokwakho ubone ngayindlela leya draw la no party date not need it bebengayidingi. That is a very useless draw. You can't go away you claim ama points away from home, but ekhaya you are failing. Kunabantu abasuka le ko KZN bazothenga amathikisi bazospend imali ezibovu beza la igoli nina nizohluleka ukcrack ugoalkeeper okade ngavimba isizini yonke. Niyabona ke balandeli bezibhola semzansi ukuthi ngesikhathi iMagesi ivimbiselwe ya goalkeeper imvimsile umbali uChipa sezengekho kwangenzela ukuthi iwin iMagesi, kwangenzela ukuthi win Paris njalo. Ugoalkeeper can work noma ngabe nini.
Eba defender bola abantu yazi defender boy Durban City hayibo yabona nje mfethu oncanana ayiboncanana wazoba istanje hayibo abadala badefende kahle ke no keeper wabo bephila into eshayile nje mfethu ukuthi meza ngakora first 60 minutes vele silahle yonke icomposure bese sileke icomposure mfethu umfukeng apolice sibilebile kakhulukazi umfukeng beno apolice bese be selfish mfethu. La ngibone khona ukuthi ayingekho off ila khona mfethu kade lokho kunesiphithi ibhola layizela mfethu ukusiyema eyedwa ovele washola get ibhola la le yena washaya umoya kuyashutha ayibo kicking fresh air ayikhonte shamanzi kodwa sesifa Obed College ayi butwami sezokhalela wena ke manje ke yabo siyatestwa la. Position 1 delayed is not position 1 denied. Obed College sifuna ngokwethu ukuthi nje amajita kule game lezayo bangaphethi bangathatha izinto mawala mfethu bedlala igame yabo bese siyayiwina ngendlela right. Danko welcome back Moremo ubuyile mfethu kodwa John Wick ayusilepe bafethu udlale kahle bafethu ngoba I'm sure yena umuntu ebesifuna ukumbona ukuthi uzokwenza njani awudlale kahle mfethu lapha kwi position yakhe akenzanga lutho mfethu olubi kubele ya flop washishwa icover nakhona kodwa ke ayish sesivele salibaziseka la ingoba nathi bese si excited kakhulu yazi next weekend siyayiqhubula lena kanjani.
Hey, bruh, I don't want to be negative in this video. I do not want to be negative. It's been a long season. Let me be negative. Fine, negative. I just feel compelled. I feel compelled. Orlando Pirates players and the technical team always find a way to disappoint their fans. They are very creative. You can give them a 9 points lead beginning of the season. Iqale season babe no 9 point bengadlalanga. I am telling you they will find a way to fumble that 9 points lead. I am telling you. They will find a way. They are very creative. They are very creative in finding ways to fumble points, hey? How many times have they been given second chance in this one season? How many times have they been given second chances and they always find ways to fumble their second chances? If we're being honest, I'm trying to be honest in namhlanje, and if I'm being honest, I'm going to tell you, Orlando Pirates has been a better team this season. They have been better in every way than any. I'm telling you, they deserve to win the league. That's the honest truth. They deserve to win the league, but they're very creative in disappointing their fans. Let's talk about this game where there was no right winger in the first half. Everyone wants to overload the middle. Everyone wants to overload the left wing. it is very important that the Orlando Pirates finds a right winger in the next season. A natural right winger who is comfortable playing with both feet, but who is a natural right winger. It's very important. It's very important when I say the Orlando Pirates, their first game of the league next season, they need to play it with a left centre back. Osbisi has been very important in the last games of the season, but he's not a left centre back. Before they completely lose their entire dimension, your builder from the back, they need to play their games with a left centre back. Osbisi has been amazing, but Agayoni left centre back, so this is not a critic to him. It's a critic to Orlando Pirates. Play your games with a left centre back. Osbisi Agabuyelega right. It's not a critic to him. It's been amazing in defence, keeping a clean sheets, but when it matters the most to find someone that helps the team to build from the back, you need a left centre back. It's important that the Orlando Pirates implement it from the very beginning of the season, right? You are playing, what is, let's say with Champions League. Let's handle experiment with Champions League. You know what? The Orlando Pirates will win the league next weekend. They deserve it. But I really hope they take very vital lessons from this season. That's all I'm gonna tell. A lack of experience is evident in each and every game that the Orlando Pirates plays, right? Lack of experience in the coach and the technical team. You experiment at the worst times. Celebre had a good game, but I still think Umakaula should have started. Mbutuma shouldn't have started this game. Mahopa should have started the game. And I hope Orlando Pirates gets a striker next season. Lenda boguthi nina nikora ngamawinga ayiphele thinya leyo nto. Ku right ukora ngamawinga but ne striker ascored. Uyabo le game lena was a very weird game for me, where I see everyone playing on the left. Absolutely no attack from the right side. Ama long balls were never going to cut it. They needed better circulation in the final third, and it wasn't there, right? You need someone that will be able to hold and control the tempo and hold the ball in the final third. That was the important part with it. Hold the ball in the final third. Durban City was very organized in their defense, right? They came here to defend. Hold the ball in the final third. Why are you changing your game? We know Orlando Pirates but in the last two games they haven't been playing that way, and you can tell it's the coach's instructions that an entire week to rest. Let me end here before I get negative, right? But Orlando Pirates is a winning league. I just hope they have taken enough lessons from Lama game and the season. Let me know what you think.
Omo, what is happening? Pirates! Hey, Pains, where are the ambulances? Come on! Chineke! 29 shots, no goal! When did this one start happening? 19 corners, no goal! No, hello. This is serious, guys. Which other opportunity to win the league if not for today? But then Durban City, you guys are terrible. 11 at the back, you guys are terrible. But then I ask the question, how can you be shooting like you don't know where the goalpost is? This is not the Orlando Pirates that started well or has been playing well.
Yeah, it's so fun. It's so fun. It's just.
It will be a shocker. It will be the greatest shocker that you don't get a win against Orbit next match. Hey. So, are we talking that Sundowns will not kick a ball, but they will win the league? Rara. This is the best opportunity for Pirates. Pirates win the league. Sundowns win the CAF. And everywhere is settled. The happiness is everywhere. Omo, this is terrible.
Say it with me now. Let's say it together.
Games in hand do not equal points on the board. Durban City, well done. We were sitting Minya ring. So 4-2-3-1 from Durban City. The system they play tactically hard to break down. You are not breathing. You don't have space outside the box. Once you take a touch, Durban City defenders right here, kicking at your toes. Durban City, well done. You went to the slaughterhouse and you survived the onslaught. Beats or said not on my watch. Durban City defender, Kaiser Chiefs, fetch that guy. We need fetch him. Leader in defense, structured, rigid. Pirates could not pass between the lines. What a system Beats was set up today with Durban City. Pirates tried. They had their chances. It's not going to happen. Durban City, and I said it, Durban City. Hold them to a draw. Make the race exciting. But like this week, they're here. One of the Pirates is here this week. Tata Zelling. Guess what happened in Cape Town? Uncle Gav added spice. I'm not laughing at Pirates, please, guys. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just saying, for us as neutrals, this is exciting. This is the exciting week I wanted. That we're going to final week drama. There must be drama. That game must be something else. I can't believe my eyes. Because Orlando Pirates, all the fans were going into this game basically saying they've already won this game. Little did they know, Durban City had something up this. And Durban City were playing mind tricks with us during the week because they were on a bus parading the Nedbank Cup trophy, pretending like they're not training. Meanwhile, they know that the system is set in here. The bus they did later in the evening, back to drawing board, watching the tapes of Orlando Pirates after that to make sure that they cannot break the wall they're going to put up. I don't even know if Durban City had an attack. I'm sure Sipo Chain's jersey is clean. We're going to this final week full of drama. Durban City, thank you. Thank you for setting up probably the best week in the Betway Premiership for a while now.
Bafethu, let's see the video namhlanje. And I'm sure Mbonile, I couldn't finish listening to Umen John namhlanje because I can't listen to my friend the Chiefs namhlanje mfethu laughing at us. I just can't, because to say what I'm disappointed mfethu, I would be lying to you guys. I am more than disappointed. I am more than hurt. And it disappointed mfethu, like I'm not disappointed at the players. Coach mfethu, coach mfethu, sonke mfethu siyamazi uSlepe ukuthi is a good player and futhi siyamthanda, but you had no reason playing uSlepe namhlanje. This is literally the most important game of our season. Udlala umuntu ongakazadlala the whole season wena mfethu. Slepe hasn't kicked the ball the whole fucking season when umdlala kwi-game ethi important where we needed 3 points, dog. Namhlanje like we didn't need goals, we just needed 3 points. You choose to play umuntu ongakazadlala the whole season. Why? Because man, it's like people are blaming Uslepe. No, we're not blaming Uslepe, dog. Udlale kahle. But there was no need to start adlala namhlanje, because namhlanje if it is we nil, Uslepe was going to play kahle next week with no pressure. Because so we start next week if namhlanje we won. Because the coach just made the things way harder than they were supposed to be for us, dog. Is it the man that zinzima, dog? Because man, you're going to the game, it's a must win. It's a must win. You can't take any chances. It's a must win. And if it's enye into mfethu, Umremi is back. Umremi is back from injury, bra. Yinto enzima ukuthi mfethu sibuyele back to leya team leya mfethu we were before Umremi alimala, because before Umremi alimala mfethu we were scoring goals, bra. Like we bedlala kahle, bra. just go back to that formation lane to push urile number 10 then uwe ngomrem because masekumele wenza ama-sub igame masenzima uyakwazi ukuthi ufake uTito ukhiphe umrem because igame enzima mfethu awukwazi ufake umrem igame inzima idinga umuntu ozocabanga acreate izinto because umrem mfethu umuntu oright igame ukuthi open i-team edlala nayo ayikho defensive then umrem ngamdlala ke lapho but i-team my defensive you can be able to keep umrem ufake uTito phakathi because uTito can be able to create can be able to think for the team but manje abana nje mfethu usolazi lwakele ushilo wathi for the past 2 games le game eMagesi neDurban City namhlanje asidlalanga kahle mfethu kule Magesi won 3-0 but yo angazi mfethu we just made things like hard for us. Okay, sure, I still believe ukuthi league is a winner, but right now I feel like mfethu angazivalela ngazi we ngiphume next week ileague sithathe because right now it's going to be a fucking long week for us. It's going to be a long week for us and it wasn't supposed to be like that. Yo. It's coach Wadu. This is the reason why some of us believe ucoach Rivero mfethu ungenhla kuno coach Wadu. That's why some of us believe Rivero is better than Wadu, bruh. Because of what he was able to do with the scheme, the squad he had, and what Wadu is doing with the squad he has. Wadu has everything. But this, isn't that as in sometimes in place now as was why? Like namhlanje, why did you choose to play Slepe instead of Umakaul or Rotantin? Bruh. Hayi manje mfethu. Noma ngathi league sayithatha phela bese sojabula but hayi mfethu hayi. Abona nje this season mfethu I don't know how many times Sneakers ithole ukuthi ileague siyithathe sambe nayo. You've been given amathuba ukuthi ileague siyithathe sambe nayo but with no point. Namhlanje urile ke mfethu nje nabo ke nowapolice ke mfethu.